Guide to Emergency Procedures. This video provides a guide for tenants to help resolve emergency procedures and covers utilities such as water, gas, and electricity. Electrical safety. Electric fuse box location. If the power is suddenly lost, it is possible that the consumer unit has tripped or there is a disruption to the wider service. If the consumer unit trips, locate the consumer unit using the details in your property's welcome pack. Determine whether any of the switches have moved from the on to the off position. Move any switches which are in the off position back into the on position. Test to see whether this has restored the power. If it has not, the problem is likely to be a service disruption affecting your neighbors. Water safety. Turning off the water to the entire house. Turn off the main stopcock, which is usually located outside the property. Reference the welcome pack for the property's exact location. Fire safety. Safety tips. Ensure hallways, stairways, landings, passages etc. that form part of the escape route are kept free from obstruction, flammable materials, and trip hazards, for example, worn carpets, at all times. Ensure that lighting is always functional and time switches correctly adjusted. Escape route lighting must not operate from tenants' power supplies. Ensure the stairs, handrails, and balustrade are in good repair at all times. Do not leave children alone, especially in rooms where heating or cooking appliances are in use, and keep matches and lighters out of their reach. Do not fill chip pans more than half full of oil or fat and never leave the pan unattended with the heat turned on. Do not smoke within the house, it is a major cause of fires in the home. Always finish last cigarettes or pipes before going into the house and make sure that it is put out properly. Wherever possible, portable heaters should not be used, but when this cannot be avoided they should be kept well away from furniture and furnishings. Ensure that nothing can fall onto them and that they are in a place where they cannot be knocked over. Isolating appliances. Many of the appliances, toilets, sinks, have been fitted with isolator valves which allow the supply of water to be stopped to a leaking appliance. In order to use these isolators you will need a flat screwdriver. To stop the flow of water, rotate the screw on the top of the isolator valve, see picture. You should hear the flow of the water to the appliance stop. Smoke alarms. Test smoke alarms every 6 weeks and replace batteries. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. Fatigue. Headaches. Flu-like symptoms such as nausea. Chest pains. Sudden giddiness when standing up. Sickness, diarrhea, and stomach pains. Erratic behavior. If you think your appliance is spilling carbon monoxide or you feel you have the above symptoms. 1. Switch off the appliance. 2. Open doors and windows to ventilate the room, do not sleep in it. 3. Visit your GP urgently and inform them that you believe these symptoms may be related to carbon monoxide. They will be able to tell by means of a blood test. 4. Call a suitably qualified registered gas installer. What to do if you smell gas? If you suspect there is a gas leak, you should immediately do the following. Call National Grid's gas emergency. Open all the doors and windows. Shut off the gas supply at the meter control valve. It is illegal for anyone to use a gas appliance if they suspect it is unsafe. Turn the appliance off and do not touch it until it has been checked by suitably qualified installer.